Hey everyone, ready to kickstart your own business? In today's video, I'm going to show you 10 amazing machines that you can buy on Amazon to help you get started. These machines are perfect for launching a business that's both easy to run and profitable. From creative projects to food-related ventures, there's something here for everyone. Make sure to watch till the end because the best machines are at number 9 and 10. They could be exactly what you're looking for. And if you're interested in any of these, the links to all the machines are in the description below. Let's dive in. Machine 1, Heat Press Machine. First up, the Heat Press Machine. If you've ever wanted to design and sell custom t-shirts, hoodies, or even hats, this machine is your best friend. It's easy to use and perfect for creating personalized apparel for businesses, events, or fashion enthusiasts. Just print your design, place it on the garment, press, and you're good to go. Your creativity is the limit. Machine 2, CNC Router Machine. Next, we have the CNC Router Machine. This machine is a game changer for anyone interested in woodworking, metalworking, or even plastics. With it, you can create custom furniture, detailed signs, and unique decor pieces. Whether you're making bespoke items for local customers or selling online, this machine gives you the precision and flexibility to create exactly what your customers want. Machine 3, 3D Printer. Ever thought about stepping into the future of manufacturing? The 3D printer is your ticket. This machine can create prototypes, models, and even finished products from a variety of materials. It's perfect for engineers, designers, and anyone with a creative mind. Whether you're making custom jewelry, intricate models, or unique household items, the possibilities are endless. Machine 4, Laser Engraving Machine. For those with a passion for personalization, the laser engraving machine is a must-have. This machine allows you to engrave designs, names, or logos onto wood, glass, metal, and more. It's ideal for creating custom gifts, awards, or promotional items. If you're looking to offer something unique that resonates with customers on a personal level, this machine will help you stand out. Machine 5, Coffee Roaster Machine. Love coffee? Turn that passion into profit with a coffee roaster machine. Freshly roasted coffee beans have a rich flavor that many customers are willing to pay a premium for. With this machine, you can start your own coffee brand, supply local cafes, or sell directly to consumers. The demand for quality coffee is always high, making this a great business opportunity. Machine 6, Vinyl Cutter. The vinyl cutter is a versatile tool for creating custom stickers, decals, and signs, perfect for small businesses. This machine lets you design and cut vinyl to your specifications. Whether you're decorating storefronts, making vehicle wraps, or offering custom designs for homes and businesses, the vinyl cutter opens up a world of creative possibilities. Machine 7, Sewing Machine. If fashion is your forte, a high-quality sewing machine can help you bring your designs to life. Create custom clothing, accessories, or even home decor. Whether you're launching your own clothing line or offering alteration services, this machine gives you the power to create unique pieces that reflect your style and skill. Machine 8, Popcorn Machine. Who doesn't love popcorn? A popcorn machine is perfect for events, fairs, or even a small snack business. It's easy to operate and always attracts a crowd. Whether you're catering for parties, movie nights, or fundraisers, freshly popped popcorn is a simple yet profitable product to offer. Machine 9, Food Dehydrator. Now, here's where things get really interesting. At number 9, we have the Food Dehydrator. This isn't just a machine, it's a doorway into the booming health and wellness industry. With more and more people looking for healthy, preservative-free snacks, you can create organic dried fruits, vegetable chips, or even gourmet jerky. The demand is high, and with this machine, you can quickly carve out your niche in a thriving market. Machine 10, Soap Making Machine, and here it is. The number 10 spot goes to the soap making machine. Handmade soap is not just a product, it's an experience. In an age where everyone is seeking unique, organic, and artisan products, this machine gives you the power to create customized soaps that can command premium prices, whether you sell them online, at local markets, or in boutique stores. Handmade soap is a product that consistently attracts a loyal customer base. Each of these machines holds the potential to launch a business that's not only profitable but also fulfilling. Whether you're starting small or dreaming big, the key is to take the first step. And remember, sometimes the best opportunities come from the simplest ideas, so why wait? Your future business.